What's up, guys? Got another video for you. Going to be going over our internal slave cylinder that we offer for the CD09 transmission, also known as the transmission off of the 370Z and newer 350Z models. I'm going to show you guys the differences between your OEM problematic slave cylinder and our billet aluminum internal slave cylinder. One of the main differences you can see is the OEM cylinder is made of plastic and rubber. So a lot of you guys out there that experience your pedal getting stuck to the floor, this is what's doing that. So included in your kit, as well as the rest of our kits, you have your housing, your piston, the collar, and the roller bearing, as well as your clutch and bleeder line. So people want to know the benefits of going with our aluminum internal slave cylinder. One is definitely durability, and second is going to be pedal consistency. So you may notice that after a while of clutch kicks or just driving aggressive, your pedal gets stuck to the floor. It could be mid-drift, it could be just driving, but that's something that nobody wants to go through on the side of the freeway. So in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the bearing and install it in your bell housing. So shimming, just like the rest of our kits, you have to get a measurement to figure out exactly how many you need. Don't just stack them all in there. So this one's pretty simple. You just slide the collar out with the bearing, get your suggested shims. It's quite simple, just slam it back in there. Now I'm going to show you guys how to install it in your trans. Alright, so in your bell housing you notice that your slave cylinder is going to be held on by two 10mm bolts. Okay? Now for the clutch master slave. Look how nice that looks. So it might be a little bit easier if you just throw your line in there first. Slide this bad boy right over. Got that lined up. Line up your bottom bolt and go ahead and tighten it. And that's it.